See this guys, how people all over the world are earning money from this platform. You can see this guys, UPI transfer, Paytm, PayPal, Cash. Every single day people are actually earning by just clicking on some videos. This is a new website guys that I'm going to share the tips and techniques with you guys in order to generate your passive income guys. Okay, just watch this video till the end guys, and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money by just posting small links. Okay, just watch this video till the end. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just clicking on videos. Okay guys, it's absolutely free of cost. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend, and you are getting paid a good amount of money. I'll show you though guys how people are actually earning. I just show you some payout rates and payment proofs. You can see this guys, $11 PayPal, okay, $14 UPI, and you can see this guys how people are actually earning this much amount of money. You can see this, these are the screenshots of payment, actual payment proofs. Okay, people all over the world are actually earning this much amount of money guys. How they are doing? Okay, you just need to watch this video till the end, and guys I'll show you step by step how you yourself can do it. Okay, so for that what you need to do guys, first click on this register button. Okay, and guys don't worry, each and every link is shared on your description. Okay, description of this video I've shared each and everything. Okay, so you can just check out. So just click on this sign in with Google. Okay, just click on this sign in with Google and just select your Google account, and just you just need to log in. Okay guys, you can do it manually as well, but I just wanna prefer you to sign up with your Google account directly, because there is no validation needed. Okay, automatically validation is there for you. Okay, you can see this guys, this is my dashboard. Okay, so how I'm getting paid for this. So just come up here guys, you can see this, this is my dashboard and how I can earn. Okay, just click on this, you just come up here in this youtube.com. okay, and what you need to search here, you can see this guys, PC games. Okay, what you need to search, PC games, and you can see this guys, whatever top games you can see this, there are hundreds and hundreds of videos out there which you can promote. I'll show you where to promote. Okay, you can see this, let me just take one video. Okay, if I just take this video guys, okay, I just show you. I just need to copy this URL. Okay, what I need to do is to just copy this URL, and the URL, you just need to click on this new shortened link. Okay, just click on this. Okay, you just need to copy paste your YouTube link here. Okay, and just click on this shorten. Okay, you can see this guys, automatically this is my link that is generated. So I just need to copy this. Okay, I just need to copy this. Okay, I just need to copy this, and what I can do right now is to just come up here guys, you can see this, this is a PC gamer forum where guys hundreds and hundreds of people, you can see this, thousands and thousands of people are actually discussing about the current games. So what you need to do guys here, you just need to click on this registration button, and you just need to register here. Okay, and you just need to post your link over this website. Okay, you just need to post your links, because guys you can see this, how many people are actually active on this platform. Okay, they are all gamers who are just discussing about various kind of platforms. Guys, they are redirected to this page. Okay, you can see this, they are eventually redirected to their favorite game. Okay, if they are asking a particular game name, you just need to type a particular game name, and guys you are getting paid for that. Okay, you can suggest that please watch this video, this is a game that I want to choose. Okay, so these are the things that you can post it on over this website. Another platform that you can use guys, you all know that guys, Facebook is also switched to online streaming platform. Okay, so what you can do guys here, and just come up here in this facebook.com, and you just need to click on this PC games. Okay, you just need to set up PC games. So guys, there are lots and lots of groups that are created over this website. You can see this guys, 3.7 million people. You can see this PC gamers, 3.7 million people are actually following this. So what you need to do, just join this page, okay, and you can post it. Okay, you can even follow a public groups, okay, where you can actually post it and you are getting paid. You can see this, guys, 15,000 people. Guys, for 1,000 people you can earn approximately, guys, 15 to $20. Okay, if you can calculate, guys, if I'm getting, okay, if I just calculate online calculator, I just show you guys. Okay, if I just show you here, for per 1,000 views, guys, even 15 people, okay, 15,000 people from lakhs, okay, if I get $10, okay, you can see this, guys, $150 per day you can get, okay, by just posting one link, guys. By just posting one link, one short link, you just need to paste and you are getting paid for just one link. You can see this. Okay, it all depends upon this traffic, guys. You can see this. It all depends upon this traffic. Okay, so this is a best way to earn money. You can see this, guys. There are lots and lots of streaming platforms, because, guys, actually lots and lots of gamers are currently active over this platform. So you can just copy paste these links over this website and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so it's a good strategy that you can utilize for, that you can use, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so it's a good website, guys. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw your money, okay, in your bank account, okay, or in your PayPal account. So just click on this withdraw button, okay, and you can see this, guys. What I need to do is to just come up here in this settings button, okay, just click on this profile, and, guys, you just need to set up all of these details: your full name, last name, your address, city, zip code, state and country, whatever country you are from, guys, whatever country you are from, okay, it doesn't matter, okay, wherever you are from, okay. So just, guys, you just need to type your country name down below, okay, whatever country you are belonging to, you can apply over this website. And for you can see this, guys, there are various kind of methods. You can see PayPal. For PayPal, guys, you can see $5, okay, minimum withdraw amount is $5, Skrill $10, Payer 5, Phone Pay, Paytm are $5, okay. People from India, they can relate it, okay, and you just need to set up your PayPal account, okay. You just create your account, okay, just give your email ID, or, guys, you can see this, your email ID of your Skrill, Phone Pay, whatever platform you are using, okay. So you can give it, and direct bank transfer is also there, but the minimum payout is $20, okay. So depends upon what medium you choose, okay, either you want direct payment or you want from external parties, okay. You can do it on this platform, okay. So, and, guys, you can see this, I'm going to show you that whatever platform you are having, okay, you just need to click on this post button on whatever group that you have selected, and just type awesome games, okay, of PC, okay, and just copy paste the link that you have chosen. Okay, guys, it's not a spammy mail, okay. You can select a set up a good image, okay, depends upon the type of game, okay. Let us suppose this game is of guys, you can see this, whatever game it is, okay, I don't know the name. You can see this, either it is a Free Fire or whatever game, guys, okay, GTA 5 or whatever PC games, God of War, you can see this, okay, whatever PC games you are from, you know it, you can see this, Call of Duty and all. You can post their posters like they do, okay, and you are getting paid for that, okay. You just need to promote these videos and you are getting paid for that, okay. I hope you like this video, guys. Just like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, guys, and share my video to each and every one, guys, okay, so that you are getting paid, okay, just sharing it, okay, because, guys, there is also a referral program which is there in this website, okay. You can invite your friends, and you can see this, you can invite your friends and family members as well in order to do the same way. You can see this, guys, 20% of their lifetime earning you can get, Okay, so it's a good platform, guys, where you can contribute a lot if you are really gonna make $100 per hour, okay, from one video. Okay, so it depends upon your ability, guys, whatever reach you are having. Okay, so whatever comments you are having, guys, whatever doubts, just write down on the comment section, so that, guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content, and there is always a motivation to give you and guide you how you can earn money online. Okay, if you are having any suggestions, any niche, particular niche you want, you can write down on the comment section. Thank you so much. Till then, happy earning.